Welcome to C# for Crestron programming. In this tutorial, our objective is to learn properties and how properties help to read and write values of a private field. A property is a variable, and it has some behavior assigned. What does it mean? Well, a property is a member for a class, which we can expose values associated with a class to the outside environment. Another way of saying this is that a property is a class member that holds a piece of data about an object. A property can be defined as read-only, meaning it cannot be modified. We only have access to that data. Property syntax in C# is defined in this order: modifier, type, name, within one single open and close brace. Within this block, we will have get with open and closed curly braces. This is the get accessor. Set with open and closed curly braces. This is the set accessor. Without further ado, let us demonstrate this by coding an example. We will start with a console app.NET framework. Let us start a project to demonstrate read, write, and compute the value of a private field. Consider a projector as an object. This object will have attributes such as manufacturer, model number, lamp hours, right? We may expose certain projector attributes to outside environments, and some we may not. We changed program.cs class name to a base class called baseProjector in our program class. We changed the name from program.cs to baseProjector in the Solution Explorer by right mouse clicking on program.cs. Next, we created another class and a separate file system to keep things nice and neat. We gave a name to this new class, newProjector. Some comments here for definitions of field versus property. Let us define fields within our class called newProjector. Note that I pre-typed and will not copy and paste the code and explain each step. Please feel free to pause the video to understand the concept. Let us define each property for these fields. Notice each property structure always starts with a modifier, type, and a name within one single open and close brace. Public string manufacturer, get return manufacturer. Set manufacturer to a value. Notice that value is a keyword in C#. Same for the model number, but this time the access modifier is private. Public unsigned integer max lamp hours with get and set methods to access this. Finally, a property to get lamp hours. When a lamp hours is set, a computation is done to check the lamp hours against the maximum lamp hours consumed and print a message to console window. A public unsigned integer lamp hours. Get return lamp hours. Set value assigned to lamp hours. Let's do math with an if statement. If lamp hours divided by maximum lamp hours is greater than 90%, console.writeLine in quotes, projector maintenance required. Now, let us go back to our baseProjector.cs source code. Under main method, let us instantiate our new projector. New projector, myProjectorObject equals new projector. Now, let's set the projector manufacturer name. Set the maximum lamp hours to 20,000. Set the lamp hours to be 10,000, so it does not exceed 90% and nothing will happen. Now set lamp hours to 19,500, which will exceed 90%, and the message will be displayed. In this tutorial, we learned about properties within the C# environment. A property is commonly used to provide access to a private field in a case where the field is needed by other objects. We demonstrated by building a program to illustrate this concept in the AV industry, using a projector as our object. Thank you for watching.